Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This side Nishtha Jain and today we are gonna make a mandala art. So here I go. First of all, take your pencil and a compass and open it. You might also need a scale for this. Open your compass around 3 centimeters for the first circle and draw the circle from the center of your sheet, which is around 3 centimeters. Now when you're done with this circle, you have to open your compass 4 centimeters and you have to draw next circle with the center remaining the same. The center should be same for the next circle and you have to draw it 4 centimeters for the radius. After drawing of 4 centimeters, you need to open your compass 6 centimeters and then draw the other one right here. After drawing it for 6 centimeters, you need to open it 7 centimeters and draw the next circle right here. So this next circle is of 7 centimeters for the radius. After 7, I am opening it to 8. Open it 8 centimeters again. So I am repeating the measurements for the circles. The first one is 3, then 4, then 6, 7 and we have 8. Now starting with the drawing part, you have to use a CD marker and for the first circle I am drawing the patterns right here. First draw a straight line, make a star and draw the straight line back again to joining the circle. So you have to continue doing the same step for the whole circle. Now in the second line I am drawing two stars. So I'll use this pattern alternatively, like alternative stars. In the first one I have 1, in second one I have 2, then again 1, then 2. So I'll continue doing this step for the whole circle. Now when you're done with this, you have to outline this whole circle using your CD marker. Make sure you're doing in bits and not in single stroke. Very slowly you have to outline it. Make sure it doesn't go uneven. Do it very carefully and you have to join it bits by bits. Like if I've joined it till here, now I'll start doing it from here. Again go ahead and join it till here. So you have to continue doing for the whole circle till the end. Like this. You have to continue this step for all the circles, but before that make the patterns and then join the circles. For the second one we have spiral pattern. We're gonna make the spirals in the second circle. All the spirals, they're joining each other. This is how you have to join these spirals. Now complete the spiral pattern for the whole circle. Now when you're done with this, again you have to outline the whole circle right here. Do it in bits, do not do in one stroke. Like join each time you join one spiral like this. Do it very carefully and it should not go out. Now after you're done with this, you have to start drawing the leaves. For the next pattern, I'm drawing another curve, a line in the center, V shape. There should be 3 V's in the center and you have to join the next one. Do it very carefully and all the leaves should look similar to each other. So you have to complete the whole circle with the same pattern while drawing leaves, a line in the center and 3 V shapes for the wings. Now when you're done with this, you have to start outlining the whole circle right here. Join each of the tip of these leaves and do it very carefully like this while joining each of the tip, right, like this. So you have to complete the whole circle with the same thing. Now when you're done with this, you have to start drawing the next pattern, but before that you have to draw some small circles while in between all of these leaves. You also have to draw some, you have to draw the circles in between these two leaves. Also you have to draw the circles in these ones. The ones between the leaves are colored, here they are not colored. So you have to fill in this whole space with these circles, while here you have to make the colored circles right here. So you have to fill in this and this as well with the circles. Now when you're done with this, you have to start drawing the next pattern. For the next pattern, you have to draw an inverted U shape, then again an inverted U shape. So you have to continue doing this for the whole circle while making small circles in the center for all of these, 2 circles each. Now when you're done with this, you have to do the outlining for this as well. Do it very carefully. Even if you're not able to do it in single stroke, you can join it each time you do the outlining for the circle. Join all these and you have to complete the whole circle with the same. After drawing this, the next pattern is a zigzag pattern, going up, down, while making a triangles. So you have to complete this for the whole circle. You also have to make small triangles in between these. Mine is a little smaller one, but make sure the circle which is the outermost, yours should be of 8 centimeters. So you have to continue doing this pattern for the whole circle. Now when you're done with this, you have to do the outlining for the last circle, which is the last one, right here like this. Make sure you do it very carefully and it shouldn't be uneven. You can do. Now after doing this, you have to start coloring. The way I've colored is that I have done the outlining for the last circle first. Now I have also outlined these stars and these lines, and I've done a little bit of shading right here. So you have to do the similar step for the whole circle. After doing this yellow color, I'm starting with the blue one. Again, I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be first shading the whole circle. I'll first be outlining the whole circle, then meanwhile I'll be shading like this. So make sure you first complete the whole circle with this outlining and then do the shading. Now I'm done with the blue one. I'm starting with the next color, that is orange color. I'll only be coloring these parts between each of these 2 leaves. I'll be first coloring this and then I'll be shading lightly in between. Outline first. Outline the triangular thing which is formed between 2 of the leaves and then shade it like this. You have to do it for the whole circle. After doing this, you have to take another color and start shading the next circle that we have done in the. After doing this, we have to take another color and start shading the next circle, the one that we have done in the blue part, like this. Now when you're done with the red one, you can start using the next color. I'm using light blue. For this, what I'll be doing is I'll be outlining it from the outside. You can even do it from inside. Now after doing the whole part, what I'll do is I'll very lightly shade towards the other side like this. So you have to continue the similar shading to the whole circle. While doing this, make it very beautiful and kindly make sure that you send the pictures to the group. And I hope you have learned a bit of mandala art and you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.